Guys, it's me, Nintendo Canada Kid. And it's my birthday today. And for my presents, my mom and dad actually got me a dry bone stuffy, a Pac-Man Amiibo that I'm going to open, and so with the Silver Mario. But first, I want to show you Nintendo Jacqueline, my cousin. And also Nintendo Melissa. So, they're going to help me with the unboxing, and let's go. Jacqueline, you open this one, and I'll open this one.
Let me get this out.
I got Pac-Man. Close up. Okay, Silver Mario, close up. Okay. And now we're gonna Nintendo Melissa is gonna open my 3DS game that I got, Super Smash Bros. For 3DS. Okay, let's just jump out. And here's the real disc. I'm not going to be playing story mode yet, but I'm just going to be trying it out. But until then, peace out. Wickle, wickle, wow.